Okay, in this section, I'm going to show you a little bit about using your calculator. So first of all, finding trig values. Here's a TI-30 calculator, and the first thing you want to do, let me just clear this out to start with, is check your mode. You want to make sure that you are in degree mode, so all of these numbers over here, or values on the left, should be highlighted. I like Math Print. That allows me to put things in like as fractions. So once you're in the correct mode, for degrees, all you need to do to evaluate cosine of 38 is just type in cosine of 38 degrees. You don't have to use the degree measure or symbol. You can, but it's not necessary, and you get the ratio. 0.788. I think we're going to go to 3 decimal places. So cosine of 38, 0.788. You'll do the same thing for the tangent, for the sine. You're going to be using the sine, cosine, tangent keys. Here they are. Now, for number 3 here, this says find the acute angle A. We want to, again, round to the nearest minute. This means I know the answer, but I don't know the angle. So we're working backwards from what we did here. And this is where we're going to use the inverse key. So we're going to use the sine inverse of that answer, and that's going to give us the angle measurement A. So this is what I'm going to type in my calculator. And to do that, we're going to use the second sine key. You can see your sine inverse symbol here, second sine, and I'm going to type in 0.077. And that's going to give me my angle measurement, 4.416. Okay, so there's my angle A, 4.416. This says round to the nearest minute. So if you remember, we can go to the angle menu, and I can arrow down, or I can just choose option 6. This means my angle is going to be given in degrees, minutes, and seconds. And I'm just going to hit enter and confirm. So it's going to be 4 degrees, 24 minutes, 58 seconds. Nearest minute, 58 seconds is almost another minute, because remember there's only 60 seconds in a minute, 60 minutes in a degree, just like seconds and minutes and hours. So we are going to write this as 4 degrees, 25 minutes. Okay, you do the same thing with the cosine, and then in the second part, rounding to the nearest tenth of a degree, you don't need to convert it, you just leave your answer there. So let's do tangent inverse of 0.225, and that would just be 12.6. 12.7 degrees.